Bonjour, hello, my name is Madame Spiller. I teach French Immersion Kindergarten here at Leo Nickerson School, and this year I'm teaching full day students. We're just in the middle of center time, so come on in and take a look at how we're playing today. So the students are at a variety of centers throughout the classroom. I often have a group at my table, and I will work with a small group each day, several times a day. The students have the choice of directed centers and free centers, free choice centers. So center time is a pretty significant part of our day, and this is where students learn important concepts through play. At this table we've got literacy skills and numeracy skills. We add in fine motor also whenever we can do that. This table changes weekly depending on what curricular goals we're working on and what themes we're focusing on for our French language instruction.
So what are these for? What are those?
Tu vas compter les lignes. Alors, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ça fait 6. Okay? Alors, on va les mettre à l'envers. I try to speak to the students in French whenever possible, and this time of the year they can understand most of what I'm saying. This is our ice fishing center this month in the Playhouse, the dramatic play area. So this was super fun. We've got numeracy embedded into it. There's numbers on the fish. We've got a hot chocolate stand behind there. So there's literacy embedded into it as well. We'll have a hospital, flower shop, dinosaur themes, camping. Sometimes I pick, sometimes the students pick. And this is the block center, which is always a favorite. So many important lessons happening in regards to social learning, such as taking turns, sharing, using your words when there's a problem. And this is our quiet center with Bob the Turtle. If you just need a little break, want to read a book, play some games, you want to be alone if you're not feeling well, this is a great spot to come, and it's definitely a favorite.